Can you sell and rebuy stocks with the wash sale rule? Imagine you want to harvest a tax loss by selling a stock at a loss to lower your taxes. But then you think, I want to buy it back quickly. Can you do that without messing up your tax plan? Let's find out. The wash sale rule is a regulation that stops you from claiming a loss if you sell a security and buy the same or a very similar one within 30 days before or after the sale. This rule applies to stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. If you sell a stock at a loss and then buy it back within that 30-day window, the loss is disallowed for tax purposes. However, the disallowed loss doesn't just disappear. Instead, it gets added to the cost basis of the new shares you buy. That means your new purchase's cost basis is higher, which can reduce your taxable gain when you sell those shares later. This way, the loss isn't lost forever, it just gets deferred. Now, what if you want to stick to your tax loss harvesting plan? You can sell a stock at a loss and then buy a similar but not substantially identical security. For example, if you sell an exchange-traded fund tracking the S&P 500, you could buy a different fund that tracks the Russell 1000 instead. This way, you maintain your investment exposure but avoid triggering the wash sale rule. It's also important to report these transactions correctly on your tax forms. When you file your taxes, you need to fill out Form 1991 and report any wash sales. Proper reporting helps you stay compliant with tax rules and ensures you're taking full advantage of your tax strategies. From the perspective of Asian American tax help, understanding this rule is key to making smart decisions. It allows you to harvest losses without losing the benefit of those losses later. Remember, the goal is to optimize your investments while staying within the rules. So, if you sell a stock at a loss and want to rebuy it, just make sure you wait at least 30 days or buy a similar but not identical security. This way, you can keep your tax loss harvesting strategy on track and avoid any issues with the wash sale rule.